Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you how to rob the new robbery, that is the cargo ship. So the cargo ships needs a helicopter. You can take any helicopter, the default one or the army one or this new, the little bird helicopter. This helicopter is 1,90,000. You can find it at the top of the bank. So let's get into the video. So now we'll wait for the cargo ship to come. So guys, the cargo boat's here. Make sure to dodge the missiles, otherwise you will lose your health. So drop a rope, get the crates. Get these crates. And when you get the crate, as you can see, there is a new marker on my screen. You just need to go there and there will be a small building there. So guys, the cargo ship comes at 11:45 PM in the game. There's a small building here. You just go down and drop it, the crate here, and you get the money. This robbery gives 2,000 or more than 2,000. Sometimes it gives 2,100, 2,300. Now it gave me 250. And there's one more thing about this little bird. It can pick up any. There's an update. It can pick up any vehicle, empty vehicle. Like you see, there's a Lambo here. You go. Pick it. As you can see, the Lambo is flying. Yay! I'll drop it in the sea. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this. Bye.